If you're like me, you carry everything, and I mean everything in your iPhone. If you really think about it, I've got contacts of everybody I know, passwords directly into my network. I have some of my favorite movies, television shows, almost all of my music. I have programs, I have custom-made videos, I have custom-made ringtones. To lose the iPhone would be a terrible thing. Or if it falls into the wrong hands, then you pretty much have the key to my life. So how do I protect myself? Well, one is with the new 3G, there's the auto wipe feature, which means if somebody steals it, we can touch a button and poof, basically bricks it until it comes back to daddy. But there's another way, because sometimes you've got to place your phone down and somebody might say, hey, not intending to steal it, but hey, let me take a look at the iPhone, turn it on and start fiddling through your stuff. No go. I'm going to show you how to unlock that iPhone if you get it nice and secure for yourself. iPhone in its locked mode will be blank. This is also a great power-saving mode. So to turn it back on, I'm just going to simply hit the button. Then it's going to go to slide to unlock. And this is a neat feature because it stops what they call pocket dialing, meaning you throw it in your pocket and things touch against it and starts calling people and they can hear your conversations through your pants. Very embarrassing. All I'm going to do is slide to unlock it. And now there's my passcode. If somebody doesn't know it or tries to mess around with it, my passcode comes up. So I'm going to put it in here. In this case, now this is a fake one. Don't get any ideas. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop, and now we're in business. All right, to get it back to the lock mode or putting it in my pocket so nothing gets hit, I simply tap the button at the top of it. Boom, and there we go again. Pop it on, slide to unlock it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, she's unlocked. And there you go. Touch the home button, slide it open, put in your passcode, and now your iPhone is unlocked. And I'm Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert, saying, stream you later.